Hey Diamond Crew, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for coming out and checking out my videos. We are on part 2, and I think I'm going to do something else this time. So sit back and relax and check out the video. I think this one I'm going to do is the one I did for my sister's birthday. All right. So, and I also did some party favorites. So if you see something you like in this video and you want me to make another video from something you've seen, please leave the comment in the comment box below. And don't forget to put your birthdays in the comment box so I can shout you out. And thank you so much for checking out my video. So let's get started on these balloons. My sister's birthday is the beginning of July, so I thought I would give her a 4th of July birthday party theme.